All right, boys and girls, today we are going to learn how to use two new online learning tools to complete our Arctic animal project that we are getting started on. The first tool you're going to use to find all of your research. So in order to access both of these tools, you're going to go up here to Google Apps. You're then going to click on Classroom. You will then choose either yellow group or blue group, depending on which group you're in. And the first tool that you're going to want to go to is going to be the very first section on your classroom stream, and it is titled What is Differentiation? And this is going to open up and it's going to take you to a site titled Freckle. In order to log into Freckle, you're going to go to Sign In as a Student. Once you get here, it's going to go ahead and automatically log you in via your Google email. You will then go to From My Teacher, and you are going to click on the animal that you will be doing your project on. It's going to start you off with a pre-test to make sure that the articles that you are reading and the information you're getting is at your reading level. So go ahead and click Continue. You're going to read and answer questions. Try your very best on this. That way you get articles that are easy for you to read. Once you are done reading and collecting all the information that you need, you are then going to exit out. And to get to your second platform, you're going to go back to your Google Classroom, and it's going to be your second one here on your stream. So you're going to open up and it's titled Flipgrid. So when you get here, you're going to click Login with Google, and you will find your name. Once you have logged in, you are then going to go to the picture that has all the different Arctic animals on it. All right, boys and girls. And as you have noticed, I have already created a video on here for you to watch. It gives you the information that you're going to need in order to complete this part of the project. So once you get here and you find the information and you watch the information video, you will then go to responses and you'll click this big green plus button. And when you open it up, you are then going to start recording. This is where you will record all of your information. So once you do this, you will click record, and then you are going to respond to 3 classmates. You're going to respond to their video, maybe what you liked, maybe some things you learned about their animal. And then once you have done that, you are done with your project.